Number 1. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of engineering and lifestyle, blending the performance and prestige of Mercedes-Benz with the freedom of a luxury home on wheels. Let's break down everything about this masterpiece, from its striking exterior design to the comfort-packed interior, the performance under the hood, and of course, its pricing. At first glance, the exterior makes a bold impression. Mercedes has taken the sleek design language that we usually see in their premium SUVs and sedans and applied it to a motorhome format. The front carries the signature Mercedes grille with a massive three-pointed star badge, flanked by adaptive LED headlamps that not only look sharp but also adjust intelligently to road conditions. The aerodynamic body has been sculpted to reduce drag, which is rare in vehicles of this size. Subtle chrome accents run along the windows and lower panels, giving it a premium shine without feeling overdone. The large panoramic windshield ensures maximum visibility for the driver and contributes to that futuristic look. On the side, electrically operated sliding doors and retractable steps make access easy and elegant. The rear is equally stylish, with LED taillights stretching across, giving it a modern touch, while the integrated roof rails and hidden storage spaces highlight its functionality. Step inside, and the Mercedes luxury DNA is unmistakable. The cabin feels less like a vehicle interior and more like a high-end hotel suite on wheels. Premium leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and genuine wood or brushed aluminum trims create a refined atmosphere. The cockpit is equipped with Mercedes's latest MBUX infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen, voice command controls, and augmented reality navigation, making driving something to look forward to. For passengers, the motorhome offers a spacious lounge area with reclining leather seats that can be converted into a dining setup. The kitchen comes fitted with modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher. The sleeping quarters boast a queen-sized bed with memory foam mattresses and climate control zones, ensuring restful nights no matter the weather. And yes, there's a luxurious bathroom with a rain-style shower and high-quality fittings, which truly sets it apart from traditional RVs. Performance is another area where Mercedes pushes boundaries. The 2026 Motorhome is powered by a turbocharged inline-six engine paired with an advanced hybrid system, delivering impressive horsepower and torque while keeping fuel efficiency in check. Number 2, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari, the brand that defines speed, precision, and Italian passion, has stepped into the world of motorhomes. This isn't just a motorhome with a Ferrari badge slapped on it. This is a reimagination of what a high-performance luxury motorhome can be. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome takes the idea of traveling in style to an entirely new level, blending jaw-dropping design, a motorsport-inspired interior, and a driving experience unlike anything in the RV segment. From the outside, it's clear this is no ordinary motorhome. Ferrari has sculpted the body with the same aerodynamic principles that go into their supercars. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, featuring a wide, low stance, slim, adaptive LED headlights, and prominent air intakes that actually help manage cooling for the hybrid powertrain. The iconic prancing horse badge sits proudly at the center, letting everyone know this is not your average touring vehicle. The body itself is sleek, using lightweight carbon fiber panels and aluminum reinforcement, giving it a futuristic, sporty silhouette. Unlike the bulky, box-shaped RVs on the road, the Ferrari Motorhome looks fast, even when standing still. Massive alloy wheels, sharp creases along the side, and a tapering roofline make it feel like a racing machine stretched into a luxurious living space. Inside, Ferrari's signature approach to design and detail takes center stage. The driver's cockpit is directly inspired by their latest hypercars. A fully digital curved display, Formula One-style steering wheel with integrated controls, paddle shifters, and carbon fiber trims surround the driver, making every journey feel like a track experience. But behind the cockpit, the cabin transforms into a luxurious retreat. The lounge area is furnished with Italian leather seating in Ferrari's iconic red, paired with Alcantara and carbon accents. The design feels sporty yet opulent, with contrast stitching and ambient lighting creating a modern, high-energy vibe. The kitchen is compact but high-tech, featuring sleek induction cooking surfaces, a smart refrigerator, and integrated storage. Designed with Ferrari's typical attention to space efficiency, the bedroom area features a full-sized luxury bed with memory foam and customizable lighting, positioned to make the most of panoramic windows that give a sweeping view of the outside. Even the bathroom carries Ferrari flair, with sculpted fixtures, brushed steel details. Number 3. The 2026 BMW Motorhome. BMW has always been known for its engineering precision, sleek design, and the slogan, "The ultimate driving machine." Now they've translated that same philosophy into a motorhome that combines German luxury, innovative technology, and driving pleasure, making it stand apart from traditional RVs on the market. Looking at the exterior, the 2026 BMW Motorhome carries the unmistakable BMW identity. The front grille is a modern interpretation of the iconic kidney design, stretched wide and flanked by ultra-slim laser headlights that adapt automatically to traffic and weather conditions. The proportions are bold yet balanced, with clean lines and an aerodynamic body that feels more like a futuristic luxury SUV than a boxy RV. BMW has also integrated flush door handles, hidden storage compartments, and active air flaps that improve efficiency at highway speeds. On the sides, the long wheelbase and sculpted panels emphasize elegance, while the large alloy wheels and blacked-out trim pieces give it a sporty, commanding presence. At the rear, full-width LED taillights and a sleek roof spoiler create a refined finish, proving that even a motorhome can look stylish in true BMW fashion. Step inside, and the BMW design language continues with a cabin that feels modern, minimalist, yet incredibly premium. The cockpit features BMW's latest curved display system, seamlessly integrating a massive infotainment screen with the digital driver's cluster. The iDrive 9 system runs everything from navigation to entertainment, all controlled by touch, gesture, or voice commands. The steering wheel is redesigned with a flat-bottom look, wrapped in leather, and loaded with multifunction controls. Moving beyond the cockpit, the interior opens into a luxurious living space. The lounge is fitted with high-quality leather seating in soft, neutral tones, accented by sustainable wood trims and ambient lighting that can be customized to different moods. BMW has focused heavily on space optimization, so you'll find a lounge that doubles as a dining area with foldable tables and hidden storage. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee machine that syncs with the infotainment system to have your drink ready at set times. The bedroom features a king-sized bed with BMW's proprietary Comfort Plus mattress technology, complete with adjustable firmness settings and integrated massage functions. At the rear, the bathroom offers a spa-like experience with a rainfall shower, high-end ceramic fixtures, and clever use of space, ensuring both practicality and luxury. Performance is what makes the BMW Motorhome stand out from many others. Powering this giant is a plug-in hybrid V8 system, delivering a blend of power and efficiency. On its own, the combustion engine provides strong acceleration, but paired with the electric motors, the system generates immense torque for smooth, effortless driving, even uphill or on long-distance routes. The all-electric range covers around 80 miles, making it practical for short trips without using fuel. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum stability and traction across different terrains, while adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions for unmatched comfort. Despite its size, the handling is sharp and controlled,